Alright, let's be honest, who here hasn't accidentally smacked themselves in the face with a tree branch while trying to find their footing on a trail, or maybe just narrowly avoiding a humiliating tumble down a molehill? If you've ever felt like Bambi on ice skates when the terrain gets even mildly interesting, then you, my friend, are in the right place. Today we're talking about something that might even save your dignity as well as possibly your teeth. The Trekology Trek Z Cork Grip Trekking Pole. Now you might be thinking, trekking poles? Aren't those for hardcore hikers who scale Everest before breakfast? And to that I say nope. These aren't just for the mountaineering elite. Whether you're a weekend warrior hitting local trails, an avid backpacker tackling a multi-day adventure, or even just somebody who wants a little bit more stability on that surprisingly steep walk to the mailbox, these poles are designed to make your life easier. So what makes the Trek Z stand out from the forest of other trekking poles out there? First off, let's talk about the Cork Grips. Forget sweaty, slippery hands. These Cork Grips are designed for comfort and moisture wicking, and stay happy even on the most intense hikes. Then there are the lightweight folding design. We're talking about poles that collapse down small enough to fit in your backpack without feeling like you're hauling an extra limb. I've personally used these on a trip where every ounce counted, and they practically disappeared into my pack. Of course, they're adjustable in height, so whether you're built more like an NBA player or more like a hobbit, either way you're gonna find your perfect fit. And speaking of durability, these bad boys are crafted out of aircraft-grade aluminum. That means they're tough enough to handle whatever you throw at them, from the rocky descents to the unprecedented to the unexpected encounters with rogue tree roots. I've been putting them through their paces and they've held up like a champ. Now, no product is perfect, and as I've researched a little bit, I've heard some rumblings in the hiking community. Some users have mentioned that the locking mechanism, while secure, can be a little stiff initially to get it adjusted right. Others have wished for a wider variety of tip options for different terrains beyond the standard ones that are included with it. But honestly, these are minor quibbles whether you're considering an overall performance or the overall value. They're very small little things they're picking apart. So if you're ready to say goodbye to the wobbly knees and hello to confident stride, then the Trekology Trek Z Cork Grip Trekking Poles might just be your new best friend for the trail. If you want to grab a pair and start your own adventure, hit the link in the description below. And while you're down there, smash that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. We're going to Africa, so we're going to have some really cool stuff from that great outdoors. Check back in so you can see all that great content. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.